Alright, so the customer complaint is they were using the washer and it just stopped and they had a burning smell. So they unplugged it. So it's locked up at the lid. So I'm gonna try to get back here and check and see if we got 120 volts. Alright, man, this thing is fried. So I might have to change out the wiring harness. Looking at that one, I'm gonna take it apart and double check. Alright, here's the new board. I'm about to change this one out. Alright, so this is the new board. This is the old one we're about to remove. Burnt up. Alright, so we got power. Calibrating. This is the old one, so we should be good to go.